What up guys, we're back for the first site visit of 2018. As you can clearly see, the Gyprock has been installed, and yes, I've got my new earbuds. No more cords getting in the way. So if you want to come check the Gyprock out, don't go anywhere. Alright guys, so the main thing I want to talk about today is actually shadow line instead of having corners. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip the camera because we have one section that's been complete, or almost complete, and one where you can still see behind it. So let's go have a look. Okay, so here is the piece that is used to create the shadow line. Now, I'm going to explain it to you, but I'll just show you. There it is there. It's been installed before it has been set. So, let's come over here, place this down here, and I'll show you exactly how it works. Now, what happens is, actually, around this way, okay? So, what happens is, the Gyprock will, there you go. Oh, sorry, this way. My bad. What's going on? Alright, okay, so the Gyprock goes on, and over here, like so, and then here, in this channel here, is the part that creates the actual shadow line. So once it's all set and painted, that's how it's finished off. So, as you can see, up there, the shadow line is created, and then here it is, where it's been all set. And the shadow line is in there, created. Just like that, all the way around, and all the corners. Alright guys, so there you have it. That is how a shadow line is created when you have shadow line instead of square set or cornice finish for your Gyprock. Now if you know anyone who's interested in learn a little bit more about shadow line and how it actually is installed, and definitely tag them in the comments below. And I'd love to know if there's anything you'd like me to cover on any other site visit for the rest of the year of 2018. Guys, thank you very much for joining me. I will see you next time. Same place, same time. I don't know, something like that. See you later, guys.